Hello everyone. It's long time that I have not uploaded any video. But this video is not regarding any bridge equipment. It is regarding DG new circular about STCW courses. DG has proposed a new circular regarding modular courses, STCW ones, through learning platform and through college. In this circular, they want to convey that every seafarer who wants to achieve a certificate for STCW courses, fresh one or refresher one, has to follow a following procedure before obtaining a certificate. First, he has to complete required number of hours of learning through DG e-learning site, and then he has to register himself through a college. Then he will give exit examination, and then he can get the certificate regarding STCW course. So the procedure regarding to enroll yourself for e-learning STCW course is that. So first you have to open DG Shipping homepage, dgshipping.gov.in. This is the home page of DG Shipping site. Go to e-learning section. You will get two sections, competency course and modular course. For STCW courses, you have to go on modular courses. Click on modular courses. It will open a new tab window regarding STCW modular courses. So here is the window, ADU's learning management system. This is new e-learning modular section created by DG Shipping for STCW courses. So for enrolling yourself for any STCW course, you have to follow this. Go to this section, enroll now. Click on enroll now. When you click on enroll now, there are three sections: endorse, date of birth and course name which you want to do. Just go and enter your endorse number like 10 and date of birth. Okay. Date of birth, choose your year of birth. Just click on back, your month and your day, and the course you have to conduct. Like all these courses are given: advanced firefighting, training and all with code number, course codes. So you click on, suppose I want to do refresher course, any refresher courses. I don't want to do refresher course in personal survival techniques. I click on this and click on verify. The windows will turn green and it will fetch up your data through your endorse number. It sometimes takes too much time, sometimes it responds quickly. You have to be patient to get it respond. So wait for the next window to open. Sometimes you will get this kind of message: we are facing some technical issues with DGS server, because it takes time to respond. So you have to be patient and wait for it to respond. Maybe you have to try many times to get the response from this side. This is a troublesome issue, but we have to handle it. No other option available with us. Really showing some technical issue with DGS site. Anyway, I'm going to skip the next step. Next step is after verification, one window will open your regarding your endorsed number, your course registered. It will auto pick up your registered email ID and your mobile number from your profile. So before enrolling yourself, make sure your email ID and mobile number is up to date, because you are going to receive your username and password on that mail only. So go to your email. You will receive an email from support, like support DGS e-learning STCW modular course. You click on that. You will get the information regarding congratulations, you have successfully registered to the modular course, minimum study hours, their guidelines for the course, and your username and password you are going to receive in this email ID. After you have received your username and password, just again go to this e-learning platform click on modular courses and enter your username and password which you have received through your email, and make sure your laptop webcam has given the permission to this site, because it will take face identification for signing in. Like this, dilate your eyes because sometimes it don't match with your profile pic. After your face identification, your login page will look like this. Suppose I have done these 3 courses: PSCRB, AFF and medical first aid. So it is 100% because I have completed the course. But when you will first register the code, it will show 0%. You just go click on the course, okay, and read all the topics one by one. You have to read, and please make sure you view all the videos, play quiz, and try to play quiz different times, because when final assessment, the maximum questions are going to come from those quiz only, so it will be easier for you to pass the assessment. And the one requirement of the course is whether you complete all the topics, but you have to complete required number of hours. Without the required number of hours, your assessment section will not open. This is the prime requirement. You have to complete full course also and the required number of hours. When you have completed the course, to check whether you have completed the required number of hours or not, you click on this report. When you click on the report section, this kind of report will generate. This kind of report will generate topic, whether you have taken the quiz, time spent. So here the time spent, the last 30 minutes. So I have completed the required number of hours for getting the assessment. All topics, it is counting you have time taken to read the topic. So you have to give importance to all topics, and also the videos watched or not. See, video watched 2 by 2, 1 by 1. You have to watch all the videos. Without completing all these criteria, your assessment section is not going to open. So please make sure your assessment, for giving your assessment, you have to complete all this. So when you have completed the required number of hours, videos watched, quizzes taken, just simply go on assessments. When you click on assessment, here I have attempted it. Otherwise, here attend section it will come. Click on attend. There will be 45 questions, multiple choice questions. Give your answers and you will get your marks here. When it is in past section, it is not showing nothing. So don't worry. When you will give your exit examination through college, the result will show pass, fail. Okay, and then you can obtain your certificate. So this is complete procedure for obtaining STCW modular courses certificate. A bit lengthy, a bit headache, but we have to do it. Okay, thanks a lot. Please watch the video, share it. Thank you.